Hello guys, good morning to you. Thank you very much. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Nancy. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I hope you all are doing very well. I just want to say a very big thank you to all of you guys. You guys are seriously amazing. For all of you that have been supporting all this while, all my subscribers, those of you that have been watching my video, leaving down your comments, I just want to say a very big thank you to you all. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. As you can see, we are now 500 subscribers. It's just so amazing. It's just so amazing. Thank you so much for your love, for your support, Let me start with the real language. That is just want to say thank God for platforms like this, like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whereby everybody will express their opinion. So I want to talk about this Tony Kabaka house where they say they destroyed. Like 2 days ago, Obaseki destroyed for Edo State. Now bring me come this video because I get what I won't contribute on my own. Okay, I watched the video where they said John Osagi talk about the other day too concerning the same issue. There are a lot of things that building would have been used for if really that building is being built on a government land instead of destroying it. So destroying it is never a good idea. There are a lot of things that government should have used that building for. That building should have become government property. Genocide, they measure something like that. Really true. About this government, guys, I'm not a politician. I don't really know what really happened that led to Governor Obaseki destroying Tony Kabaka house. I don't really know much about this. So please, guys, get it right. I know all these politics matter. I know they bring up on this channel, but you get what I want add put to make I bring this issue come. So at the same time, I hope say you like this video enough to watch until the end, and at the same time, I hope you like them enough to subscribe to this channel. For this my channel, I do gist fashion, so please subscribe. If you like the two, what are you waiting for? Oja, hit that red bell down there that says subscribe, and welcome to the family. And not only if that is the truth, now only 2 of them I know what happen, my people. Make we talk through. Now only 2 of them I know what happened where lead to Governor Obaseki destroyed Tony Kabaka hotel. Sorry to say, guys. So we know to know now what Tony Kabaka tell us now we know. Now what Obaseki tell us now we know. But between 2 of them under now 2 of them know what happened where lead to destroying Tony Kabaka house, saying that the house is being built on top of government land. Okay, that is where my own idea one call me, my own top one for start. Hotel was built on government land, and that government land, my people, where they build that hotel on top. That government land, according to as they talk, that is a government school. Now did that government land. So my people, why it be say governor that they always destroy people property for one reason best known to them. If you still remember, like 2 years ago, bless now Asaba, this thing for happened then. I never did do YouTube. 2 years ago, when there's I don't really know, guys, but I know say 2 years ago there was build this guy built a house that was almost billion of naira. They'd also destroy this house. What did they try to talk? Be say why it be say whatsoever may be the case, destroying of house can never be the case. Why government goes they destroy house because of say the person build house on top of their land, or because of one thing or the other? When they say there is a lot of homeless children everywhere, a lot of homeless women everywhere, a lot of things should have been done with that building where they destroy. This is what John Osagi was trying to say. A lot of things they will be saying these buildings would have seize these buildings according to the system government's property. Now these buildings there on top. At least use this building for every other thing. As they can't destroy and so now come better pass. Yeah? As they can't destroy this building, turn and just bring everything down. Now come the best solution. That the most annoying part of it to me, that hotel was built under government land. Okay. Under government land, where we say that government land, na school, na near that government land. Why that same governor, Obaseki, no go fit seize that building, turn into school? Why not go fit one like that? Then as it goes, instead of destroying that building should have been turned into government school. Since now government land and government school don't near the building. Why they not go fit one like this? Yeah? This government, all this and our African Nigeria government, the way where they think say, it get as it be. I don't understand. Build better school first, they don't go one build better, that is, build better hospital, they don't go one build. All these properties where they seize from people, reasons best known to them, where they fulfill use, take better our life, they go they destroy them, they go they break them down. And people, it don't make sense now. It don't really make sense at all, at all. It don't make sense. That building that is being bring down should have been turned into school. If I don't say the school where we say that hotel near say na secondary if na primary school, they will use the building turn to secondary school. If the school government school were near the hotel na we say they call them primary and secondary, use the building take turn to at least small mini university. That same building you still use and take turn to hospital. Hotel where we say contain more than 50 rooms, you can as well turn it to hospital. Why not? Now just for them to come put equipment, now go remain. Why not, my people? I don't know whether they talk, they make sense. That building, therefore, take and help all these foundations. They take care of the less privileged, like genocide and many more there that are really doing the work. At least these people, they can still be paying every month small money to the government instead of destroying it. The thing don't make sense at all. It don't make sense at all. That is for abroad, yeah, before government go destroy house. If they had abroad, they know they destroy anything like property. Instead, this property they'll come use them to help the less privileged. They'll come give them to like family where they say they don't get better work, they pay house rent, or they'll come use them for like government office, or they'll come use them for like where they take care of people for they take care of people where we say they don't get parents. A lot of things. Now this government they use all these houses for. Yes. That is the truth. They know they they destroy house at all, because they know say a lot of people they need place to put their head. They know say a lot of things they will say they fit convert that building to, if na hospital, if na people say they work on that government, they do one or two things for inside there. If not to give them to private family, they go give them to private family where we say they don't get better work, they go they pay government if na that is small money every month. Now so that they do one. How can you be destroying things? Make una do for us, we not go agree do. The ones that will see seats for people hand, where this one will visit and sit better the people life. If they turn that hotel to hospital, na bati. If they turn that hotel to university near the school or secondary school, near that government school where this na the land, then they say Tony Kabaka build hotel, put na bad thing, my people. These things where this government do, they make sense at all. They make sense. I'm not surprised that Genocide they think like this. I'm not surprised that Genocide some of these are his words, because that man don't travel well. They say if you don't to stay for Oyibo land, you can't they think like Oyibo. Now it make, so I'm not surprised that in your way of thinking self, that is your way of thinking self. Even our politicians and governors, they think like that, because you don't stay abroad where you don't travel where you don't see life where when if you go ring road in the morning, you go see homeless people that they sleep for park, sleep for different corner. They don't get house, nothing, and they destroy building because they don't on top of government land. How this government want to better our life safe? Make una do for us, una no go gree do. The one where we una take for people hand, and una know the reason where una take am. Instead of una to take and take impact, take affect the people life in a positive way, take and take assist those that are in desperate need. Instead, they will just prefer to bring the building down. Now, so they hate us. I'm not happy that the Tony Kabaka has the destroyer, or say maybe I they happy. I will say they won't take the house for in hand to turn it into government property. I'm not happy, because nobody will be saying they will take a lifetime investment, all the money will make for life invest on top of one hotel. Nobody will say this kind of thing will happen to him. Say he go happy or he go like him. It's not there. Absolutely, no, I'm not happy that this thing happened to Tony Kabaka. Whatsoever that results to this Obaseki bringing down his hotel, now only 2 of the 9 know. I'm not happy about it. But instead of them demolishing this hotel, these things would have been used in a very different way. Where we say it won't make sense, safe. Instead of to just scatter them. Okay, as they come scatter them now, na come better pass. As they come scatter them now. And we say that particular land, now say government want enlarge the school where we say they want do other things in that area where we say they don't need that kind of building. At least person go they hear. Say maybe na make am. Instead, nothing like that. They just scatter the land, turn the build, just bring down the building, then the land will just did the empty. It don't make sense now. Like I said before they go bring that building for abroad, even though they say you keep person take him money say build house, government will never ever take that building, destroy that building. Instead, they will take it from you and give it to people they really need. Take and help their citizen. Before they go, they destroy house for abroad, whether they take them from you or not. Before they destroy house for abroad, you go not say that land, they be like say that they want construct road past that land, or you get one particular kind of thing where they want put for that land where that building will fit there, or that land is not secure. There must be a concrete reason whereby that building must be bring down, where go make them bring down a building. That is the truth. Because they are not stupid. They know say a lot of people they need house. They need where to stay. A lot of people need these things. Instead, I want come to Nigeria. Instead of the two things, this one my own. I just make I can't country. That what was the side you talk. It makes sense. But I just let me make that. It's not just emphasize on this issue because this idea of destroying houses is not good. Oh, that is whether you been for government land or not. Nobody say they go destroy us. Say go happy about it. Not there. But at the same time, instead of them to destroy this house, at least they will use this house stay to another to say everybody go get from it. It don't make sense now. Make una build better school for us. No. Do better road. No. Do something. No. At the end of the day, the things where you say people already do. When una can collect for their hand, one even collect for their hand. Una can they scatter them. Okay, as they don't bring that building now. Okay, what Obaseki want to build for that land now? He want enlarge the school. He want build hospital for that land. What he want do for on top of that land now? Where we say that building when he destroy, no go let him do. Waiting, my people. What he want do for that land? We say that building when he destroy, no go let him do. Eh? My people, that is Nigeria way of thinking, and they still there behind. They still there back. I just pray, shall make God change their way of thinking. So my people, this one be my own small contribution. Why I say make I constantly share with you now. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and leave your comments below. Thank you very much. God bless you guys. See you blessed and at the same time.